Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Listan. Today, bago tayo mag-livestream, kailangan muna tayong makakain. So, let's go to the kitchen. And, let's gonna cook a simple recipe on my own. Together with the potato, corned beef, and egg. Let's go! Just a simple ingredients, add onion, garlic, potato, corned beef, oil, and 2 pieces of egg. In an empty pan, just add a little bit of oil. Drop your garlic. And following the onion whenever it's getting a little bit brown. After a few minutes, just add the potato. And a black pepper. Sprinkle a little bit of magic sarap. Mix it gradually since my pan is really tiny. And add chili flakes. And add your corned beef. Mix it well, and after a few minutes of mixing, just add your 2 eggs, tap on it. I prefer not to mix properly the egg since I like it a little bit bigger pieces on it within the ingredients. A few minutes more and ready to serve. Ta-da! It's eating time. Be my lunch. Yummy! It's Bon Appetit. It's getting ready for the song. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye and see you next time.
And now when the stars light up my room, I still by myself talking to the moon.